Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to strap into a drone that's faster, smarter, and more immersive than anything DJI has ever released? Imagine soaring through the skies at blistering speeds, capturing footage so crisp it feels like you're right there in the cockpit, all while dodging obstacles with tech that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. If you're a drone enthusiast, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves cutting-edge gadgets, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the hottest leaks and rumors surrounding the DJI Avata 3, the FPV drone that's set to redefine aerial adventure in 2025. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll know every juicy detail that's got the drone community buzzing, and you'll be counting down the days until its release. Let's kick this off with the big question on everyone's mind. What exactly is the DJI Avata 3, and why is it generating so much hype? Picture this. It's early 2025, and whispers start circulating in online forums and tech leaks channels. Trusted insiders like drone experts and leakers on platforms like Reddit and X begin dropping hints about DJI's next big thing. The Avata 2 was already a game changer when it launched back in 2024, compact, agile, with that immersive FPV experience that made you feel like a bird in flight. But the Avata 3? Oh, it's rumored to take everything up several notches. From what we've pieced together from prototype images, insider specs, and industry chatter, this isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution in personal drone tech. And the best part, these leaks suggest it's coming sooner than you think, possibly by mid-2025, though DJI is keeping mum for now. But don't worry, we're going to unpack it all, step by step, so you can decide if this is the drone you've been waiting for. First off, let's talk about the heart of any drone, the camera. The leaks are pointing to a massive sensor upgrade. Imagine ditching the 1/1.3-inch sensor from the Avata 2 for a full 1-inch CMOS powerhouse. That's the kind of tech you see in pro-level cameras like the DJI Osmo Pocket series. What does that mean for you? Stunning 4K video at buttery-smooth high frame rates. Think 120 frames per second, or even higher for those epic slow-motion shots that make your heart race. Low-light performance? Leaks say it's going to blow the Avata 2 out of the water, with richer dynamic range, so your night flights look like they're shot in broad daylight. And color grading? 10-bit support is rumored, giving creators like you the flexibility to tweak footage in post-production without losing quality. I've seen leaked sample footage descriptions where colors pop so vividly, it's like the drone is painting the sky. If you're into cinematic FPV, this could be your new best friend. But a great camera is nothing without the speed to match, right? Hold on to your seats because the Avata 3 is rumored to hit top speeds of around 140 kilometers per hour. That's about 87 miles per hour for my American friends. That's a solid bump from the Avata 2's 97 kilometers per hour in manual mode. Imagine zipping through forests, urban landscapes, or even racing tracks with that kind of velocity. Leaks from prototype tests show it's not just faster. It's more responsive thanks to refined motor tech and aerodynamic tweaks. One leaker described a test flight where the drone weaved through tight obstacles like it had a mind of its own. And for safety? Omnidirectional obstacle sensing is said to be standard,